this program, students act as heads and members of different segments of school administration. Starting with the front desk and its duties. Transport heads checking bus issues and verifying them. Entering into the teaching world.
Okay, now pin drop silence. I don't want you to scream, okay? Just answer it slowly. What is it? What is this? It's a stem, okay? Now.
In this aspect, Meruvians take the responsibility of teaching to share their knowledge.
Okay, what's after 9? What is bigger? Is there 10 over there? No, 100 is the biggest. 26. Yes. So write 26 after 9.
I'll read out the first question. Okay. One of these is the other name. Which one of these is the other name of cellular phone? We have three options. A, smartphone, B, telephone, C, mobile phone. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
How many of these is telephone?
Acting senior leadership members committee note key points from department heads and works on action items. Understanding the grip of table tennis by players. Instilling sports lessons in students, leading to peer-to-peer knowledge sharing. These programs help students build skills in management, administration, and conflict resolution.